My name is Chad Davenport. The practice areas that I'm in include business law and constitutional law. As an attorney, I'm a great listener. I'm oftentimes my clients' first phone calls anytime that they have an issue. But I'm also a hard worker. I try to achieve the best results for my clients. And I'm tenacious in a courtroom. You can count on me to be your best advocate at any point during a legal proceeding. I decided to become an attorney after a conversation with one of my friends where she told me about a great opportunity to go attend the University of Buffalo without taking the LSATs. Before then, I never even thought of being an attorney, but after that conversation, as well as a conversation with my uncle who previously practiced as an attorney, I knew that this was the right career path for me. That's difficult to say. I've had quite a few memorable cases so far. One of those was a case involving two couples looking to be married. We had to sue New York State in order to get them the wedding that they were looking for during the pandemic. And as a result of suing that case, one of the founding partners, Tony Rupp, ended up on CNN. We also have another case involving bounty hunters here in the city of Buffalo. As a result of suing that case, Tony Rupp again ended up on Good Morning America, advocating for our clients' rights. So I would say that those are our two most memorable cases so far. Outside of work, I'm a great friend, great son, and a great advocate for my friends. I'm a sports fanatic, so you'll often catch me at bars or on a couch with one of my friends watching whatever sports game's on. And I'm also active. I enjoy working out. I enjoy skiing. I enjoy playing basketball on the weekends. And the occasional golf round every once in a while when the weather's nice. Uh, my area of practice is predominantly suing municipalities on behalf of my clients. One thing that I could certainly say is that oftentimes clients are coming to us near the end of their statutes of limitation, which run rather quickly. As a matter of fact, one of the most important and critical deadlines is actually 30 days after an incident. So my legal tip would be, if you have what you believe to be a lawsuit against a municipality, immediately get in contact with somebody who is experienced in lawsuits against governments. That's us at Rupp Boz. So I encourage you to reach out as soon as you can. And whether it be us or another law firm who ultimately takes your case, you need to make sure that you are complying with your statutory deadlines immediately.